Hey, is Zoom screen sharing not working for you during meetings? Yeah, it's really frustrating when you need to present or show something to your team and it just won't work. In this guide, I'll show you the fastest ways to fix Zoom screen share issues in 2026 so you can share your screen without any problems. First, make sure Zoom has the proper permissions. On Mac, go to System Preferences, Arrow Security and Privacy Arrow Screen Recording, and allow Zoom. On Windows, ensure your account has permission to share your screen in Zoom. Make sure Zoom is up to date. Open Zoom Arrow, click your profile picture arrow, check for updates. The latest version often fixes screen sharing bugs. Sometimes a simple restart solves screen share issues. Close Zoom completely and restart your computer or laptop before trying again. If you have multiple monitors or virtual displays, Zoom might get confused. Try disconnecting extra monitors or adjusting display settings to see if screen sharing works. Some apps like other screen recorders or video software can interfere with Zoom. Close any apps that might be using the screen or video resources and try sharing again. Enable hardware acceleration in Zoom to improve screen sharing performance. Go to Settings, Arrow, Advanced Arrow, Enable Hardware Acceleration, then restart Zoom. If screen sharing still doesn't work, uninstall and reinstall Zoom. A fresh installation can fix corrupted files and reset settings that might block screen sharing. And that's it. One of these fixes should get Zoom screen sharing working again so you can present without any interruptions. If this helped, check out my other quick tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.